Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Check. Today I'll be unboxing two POWERADD power banks. This one right here is a 20,000 milliamp, and this one right here is a 10,000 milliamp. This one right here also has some other claims, but I'm going to save that for later on in this video, and we're going to start with a 20,000 milliamp POWERADD power bank. Alright, looking at the box, it's kind of a thin cardboard. POWERADD name right on the top here. Energycell 20,000. Then you have all the information on the back here. Your POWERADD, power your life. Your model, Energycell 20,000. Capacity, 20,000 milliamp hours. Type C input, that's on this. It has Type C. Type C output. All your voltages and amps for 5, 9, and 12 volts. USB output 1. And USB output 2. So it's dual output USB also with the Type C. So 3 outputs and inputs in total. Flipping it back over. Let's open it up. Alright, now looking inside the case here, you have the POWERADD Portable Charger Power Bank Energycell 20,000 user manual. I would assume half in English and half in another language, but yeah, multiple languages. I think there was German and Chinese or something. Alright, happy. So this would be happy, not happy. Leave us a review probably. Be a great honor if you are happy with our product and service. To what? Oh, leave a review. Okay, that's what I thought. Alright, now looking here. Oh, we have a nice cover or nice case for the power bank, I would guess. Oh, it's fairly heavy, but 20,000 milliamp. It's actually lighter than I expected it to be. Just put that down there, and there it is right there. Oh, fingerprints already, so yes, it's plastic, and it will get greasy with fingerprints. I think you have, yeah, that's a button there. Oh, 2 lights come on, so it comes 50% charged. This one did at least. Alright, there's your 2 USBs and your USB Type-C. I'll have to check the manual to see exactly how much voltage is in each one. Alright, and then you have your model and your capacity and all the same information that was on the back of the box right there on the bottom of the unit. Alright, then you have this Type A to Type C cable here, which I did see a lot. Oh, it's actually a Type C to Type C connector with a Type A to Type C adapter on this little attachment here, so you won't lose it, which is good because I would definitely lose that. So that's nice to have. Alright, but I did see some people complain that this cord came broken, so I'll have to test that. Alright, now this case is actually fairly thick. Like, it feels nice. I know it probably doesn't come across on camera, but feels good with a nice drawstring here. Should fit in nice. It was already in it, right? So, oh, look at that. That's nice. Close that up, throw it in your pocket or in your bag or whatever. Probably a bag. It's be a bit heavy for a pocket. I think it weighs a bit more than my phone, but we'll test that out. I'll weigh them up. All right. Well, now that's it for the 20,000 milliamp POWERADD Energycell 20,000, I should say. Let's move on to the 10,000. And the claims on this one is that this is the lightest 10,000 milliamp battery charger, or power bank, I should say, that you can get on Amazon. All right, let's open it up. Oh, before that, I'll show you the back of the box. You have the POWERADD model Energycell 10,000. Your capacity 10,000 milliamp hours. Your input 5 volts and 2 amps. Your output is 5 volts, 2.4 amps. So a little bit less than the other one there, but this also is micro USB. It doesn't have USB Type-C, which that's all right, but I really would have liked USB Type-C. Anyways, let's open it up. Okay, once again, you have one of these little happy things. If you're happy, leave a review. If you're not happy, contact us and maybe we'll fix your issue. So we'll leave that one there beside that. It's the manual for this one. It doesn't have any name or information like the other one did, but same multi-languages, I would assume. Yeah, multiple languages. All right. Okay, this one didn't come in the case, and this is a much smaller case. Oh, look how tiny this is. Okay, this one is just a Type A to micro USB, no adapter or anything, no Type C. Again, I saw people complain that the cords did come broken. It is a very thin cord, so I guess you're taking your chances. I will let you know down below in the comments, or in the description, if it came broken or not once I test it. Now, take this out of its packaging. There we go. All right, and there it is. You got the POWERADD, got the button with the 4 LEDs around it. Let's see how much was in this. We got 1, 2 lighting up, so that's 50% charge in this as well. You have your micro USB and your USB, I think it's Type 3. I'll have to double check that, but I think it's USB 3. Yes, because it does fast charging and all that, so that would be USB 3, I believe. But yeah, this is the 10,000 milliamp version of the POWERADD power bank. And as I said, their claim is that this is the lightest 10,000 milliamp battery power bank you can get. And I'd say it's still heavier than my phone with the case on, but I'd have to weigh them together. It's very close. Both of these units said to be fully charged before using to charge any devices, which is why I'm currently charging the 10,000 milliamp one with my micro USB and the 20,000 milliamp one with my USB Type C. You know they're charging by the flashing indicator lights, and when they're fully charged, all 4 will be solid. That was my unboxing of the POWERADD Energycell 10,000 and 20,000 milliamp power banks. If you'd like to get your own POWERADD power bank, I have links listed in the description below. And if you like this video, be sure to leave a thumbs up, a comment, and possibly subscribe. I'm Andrew, and this was Tech Check.